children of grade 5. I welcome you all for the day 9 session of reading and writing class. Children, before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, reading is a passport to countless adventures. So children, if you read, you can do so many adventures. So make use of this golden opportunity to improve your reading writing skill to shine in this world. So children, let's start our reading session from our textbook English Fairy, chapter 1 poem. The title of the poem, Be a Friend. Children, are you ready? Shall we start reading? Yes, let's start reading. Children, shall we start reading? Yes. As a continuation of the yesterday's reading class, let's read on second stanza of the poem Be a Friend. So look at here. B-E-F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Be a friend, Y-O-U, U, D-O-N apostrophe T. Okay children, so D-O-N apostrophe T. What does it mean? It is don't. The full form of don't is do not. Okay, but we should pronounce it as don't because it was given in short form. So contraction, it was given in contraction. So we need to pronounce it as don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. G-L-O-R-Y. Glory. G-L-O. Glow. R-Y. Re. Glory. Shall we read this line, children? Yes. So keep your fingers. Read along with me, children. Be a friend. You don't need glory. So that's all from the first line of the second stanza, children. Let's move on to the second line now. Children, look at the second line. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. S-H-I-P, ship. Friendship. So what is the word, children? Together it is friendship. Very good. So it is friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. S-H-I-P, ship. So together it is friendship. Okay, children? Yes. So I-S, is. Children, are you keep following me? Keep your fingers and read along with me, children. Read loudly also, okay? Pronounce the word correctly. So, I-S is. S-I-M, sim, P-L-E, pull. Simple, simple, okay? Sim, S-I-M, sim, P-L-E, pull. Together it is simple, okay? So, look at the next word. S-T-O-R-Y. What is this, children? Story. Very good. It is story. So, shall we read this line? Yes. So, friendship is a simple story. Okay. So, that's all from the second line of the stanza, children. Let's move on to the third line now. P-A-S-S, pass. P-A-S-S, pass. B-Y, by. Trifling, T-R-I, tree. F-L-I-N-G, ling. Trifling. So, P-A-S-S, what is the word, children? Pass. P-A-S-S, pass. B-Y, by. Trifling, T-R-I, tree. F-L-I-N-G, ling. Trifling. Okay. So, split the word and according to the sound you have to pronounce, children. That is known as syllabification. Okay. We have to split the word according to the sound and we have to use the syllables. So, that is known as syllables, children. Split the word and read the spelling, children. Okay. So, T-R-I, try. F-L-I-N-G, ling. Trifling. Okay. So, pass by trifling. E-R-R-O-R-S. What is this, children? E-R-R-R-O-R. Roars. Errors. Errors. So, what is this word, children? Errors. 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 L-I-N-D. Blind. B-L-I-N-D. It is blind. L-Y, lee. So, together it is blindly. Okay. So, pass by trifling. Errors. blindly. Shall we read on this line again, children? PASS, pass. TRIFLING, trifling. So pass by, trifling, errors, ERRORS, errors. BLIND, blind, LYLY, blindly. Okay, children, let's read this line again. By, trifling, errors, blindly. Okay, children, so that's all from the third line. Let's move on to the fourth line now. GAZE. What is this, children? GAZE. 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 ON, on. Gaze on. HO. Ho. NEST. Nest. Honest. GAZE. Gaze. Gaze on. Honest. 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 Next word. EFFORT. If fort. Effort. Effort. What is this word, children? Pronounce it. Pronounce it loudly. Effort. 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 Fort. KIND. 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 LYLY. Kindly. Okay, children. So what is the last word here? KIND. Kind. LYLY. Kindly. Okay, children. So last word is kindly. So let's read on this line, children. Fourth line. Gaze. GAZE. Gaze on. Honest. Effort. Kindly. Shall we read one more time? Yes. Gaze on. Honest. Effort. Kindly. So that's all from the fourth line, children. Let's move on to the fifth line now. CHEER. 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 The YOUTH. 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 CHEER. What is this, children? Cheer. The YOUTH. Youth. Cheer the youth. WHO. Who. Apostrophe S. So what is this word, children? How to pronounce this word? Whose. Who is. So the full form is who is. You have to pronounce it as whose. How to pronounce this word, children? Whose. Okay. So cheer the youth. Whose. Whose. BRA. Bray. VELY. Bravely. Bravely. Okay. So how to pronounce this word, children? BRA. Bray. VELY. Bravely. Bravely. Okay, children. So look at the last word. TRYING. What is this? Can you guess, children? Pronounce this word, children. TRY. Try. ING. Ing. Trying. Okay. So let's read this line, children. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Okay. So that's all from the fifth line, children. Let's move on to the sixth line. PITY. What is this? PIT. TY. T. Pity. What is this word, children? Pity. Pronounce this word. Pity. HIM. 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 Pity him. Whose. Yes. Already we saw this word, no, children? How to pronounce this word? Whose. Whose. SAD. Sad. LYLY. Sadly. SAD. Sad. LYLY. Sadly. Okay. So pity him who sadly. SIGH. 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 ING. Ing. Shying. What is that, children? Sighing. Okay. How to pronounce this word? Sighing. Okay. Pity. So let's read this line, children, together. Pity him who's sadly sighing. Okay, children. So read it along with me one more time. Shall we read once more? Yes. Pity him who's sadly sighing. Okay. That's all from the sixth line, children. Okay. So now shall we move on to the seventh line? Yes. JUST. 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 LITTLE. Little. LIT. Lit. TLE. Till. Lit. Till. Little. Just a little. LABOUR. Lay. LA. Lay. BOUR. Bur. Labor. Okay, what is the word, children? How to pronounce this? Lay, L-A, lay, B-O-U-R, bor, labor. Okay, labor. S-P-E-N-D. What is this? Spend, spend. S-P-E-N-D. It is spend, spend. So, shall we read this line, children? Yes. Read along with me. Repeat along with me, children. Just a little labor, 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 spend, B-O-U-R, bore, labor, spend. Okay. So last line of our poem. So see here, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, on the, due, D-U, due, T-I-E-S, tease, duties, duties, on the duties of, O-F, of, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Okay, children, so read this line along with me. On the duties, duties of a friend. Okay, shall we read this stanza one more time, children? Yes, keep your fingers, all of you, say along with me. Yes, be a friend. Read along with me, children. Be a friend, you don't need glory. Be a friend, you don't need glory. Friendship, friendship is a simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. Friendship is a simple story. Then third line, pass by, P-A-S-S, pass by, trifling, E-R-R-O-R-S, errors, blindly, blindly, B-L-I-N-D, blind, L-Y-L-E, blindly, pass by, trifling, errors, blindly, blindly. Okay, so that's all from the third line. Look at the fourth line, gaze, G-A-Z-E, gaze on, honest, gaze on, honest effort, kindly, gaze on, honest effort, kindly. So that is the fourth line. Okay, shall we move on to the fifth line? Yes. Are you ready? Yes, read along with me. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Okay, look at the next sixth line here. I-T-Y, pity him, pity him, pity him who's sadly sighing, pity him who's sadly sighing. So that is the sixth line, children. Let's move on to the seventh line. Just a little labor spend, just a little labor spend. Okay, then last line, on the duties of a friend, on the duties of a friend, on the duties of a friend. So children, we read the second stanza of our poem, Be a Friend. Children, that's all from the reading part of today. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, shall we start right now? Yes. Take your handwriting note, all of you. Take your pencil or pen, whatever it is. Be ready. Let's write now. Children, are you ready? Shall we start? So first we need to write today's date. 18/9/20. Then day, eight. Chapter 1, CHAPTER, Chapter 1. Be a friend, FRIEND. Be a friend. Writing, WRITING. Writing. Page number 13. So, are you ready, children? Shall we start, right? Yes. So, take your handwriting note, take your pen, Write neatly. We are going to write the second stanza what we read today. Let's start. B E B A F R I E N D. Friend. Be a friend. Y O U U D O N apostrophe T. Don't. N E E D Y. Needy. Glory. G L O R Y. Glory. Okay, children. So let's start the next line. F R I E N S H I P. Ship. Friendship is a simple. 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 STORY. Story. Simple story. Okay. Next line. P. Cursive capital P. PASS. 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 BY. By. Pause by. TRIFLING. Trifling. Pass by trifling. ERRORS. 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 Blindly. 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 Okay, children. Next line. Next line. Capital G we are going to write. GAZE. Gaze on. 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 Gaze on. HONEST. Honest. Gaze on honest. EFFORTS. Efforts. KINDLY. Kindly. So that's all from the fourth line, children. Let's move on to the fifth line. CHEER. 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 On. THE. Youth. 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 WHO apostrophe S. Whose. BRAVELY. Bravely. TRYING. Trying. So cheer on youth who's bravely trying. Line. PITY. Pity. Him. 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 Whose. WHO apostrophe S. Whose. SADLY. Sadly. SIGHING. 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 Pity him who's sadly sighing. Just. JUST. Just a little. 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 LABOUR. Labor. S-P-E-N-D, spend, capital O, on, T-H-E, the, D-U-T-I-E-S, duties of a F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, on the duties of a friend. So that's all from today's stanza, children. So write all these stanzas. Write these stanza neatly with date, day 8, with date, day 8, chapter 1, be a friend, writing page number 13 and the second stanza here. So write neatly in your handwriting note, children, with the same cursive pattern. That's all from the today's handwriting part, children. I'll catch you soon with another video. Children, before winding up the session, let's recall the value again. That is, reading is a passport to countless adventures. Children, we are taking this huge effort to make you do adventures. So, dear parents, kindly support us and motivate your children to make use of this opportunity to improve their reading and writing skill to make their life adventurous.